Feeling sick in cold weather. Brr, it's really cold outside today.
I know. I wasn't prepared for this chill.
My hands are still freezing.
This hot coffee should help warm us up.
It feels good. Oh, achoo, excuse me.
Bless you. Are you really okay, Mark?
I just feel a bit under the weather.
It's probably this sudden cold spell.
I think so. I hate getting sick.
Me too. You need to take it easy today.
I will. I plan to drink a lot of water.
Good idea. And maybe some tea with honey.
That sounds comforting. I'll do that.
My grandma always gave me ginger tea.
Is it good? I have never tried it.
It's a bit spicy, but it works wonders.
Maybe I will buy some after work.
You should. It's great for a sore throat.
Thanks for the tip. I appreciate it.
No problem. We need to stay healthy.
I got a bad cold last winter.
Oh, that's no fun. I was sick then too.
It took me a week to feel normal again.
Same here. Rest is truly the best medicine.
I agree. Do you take any vitamins?
Yes, I take vitamin C every morning now.
I should start doing that as well.
It helps support your immune system.
That makes sense. Prevention is important.
Definitely. It's better than getting sick.
And I should probably eat more fruit.
Oranges are great for vitamin C.
Right. I will buy some on my way home.
It's also important to get enough sleep.
I know, but I often stay up too late.
Try to get at least 7 hours tonight.
I will try my best. Thanks for caring, Sarah.
Of course. We are colleagues and friends.
Well, our break is almost over.
You're right. Let's get back to work.
Okay. I hope you have a good day.
You too. And please feel better soon.
Thanks. I will. See you later.
See you. Stay warm.
Practice makes progress. That was a good session today.
Yes, but I still feel a bit nervous.
I understand completely. Me too sometimes.
Really? You seem very confident.
Thanks, but it's just practice. I make mistakes.
I think I worry too much about mistakes.
Exactly. That's the biggest problem for learners.
So how do you stay so calm then?
I try to focus on the message.
Not on the perfect grammar.
Right. Communication is the main goal.
That makes a lot of sense, actually.
It helps reduce the pressure, you know?
It does. I should try to remember that.
What other methods do you use to practice?
I sometimes talk to myself in the mirror.
That's an interesting idea. Is it helpful?
It feels strange, but it helps my flow.
I might try that. I usually listen to podcasts.
Oh, which ones do you recommend for us?
I like ones for learners. The speed is slower.
That's smart. I should find some.
Also, I watch a lot of American movies.
Me too. With English subtitles, of course.
Of course, it's great for new vocabulary.
And you learn how people really talk.
Have you ever tried to copy the actors?
You mean repeat their lines out loud?
Yes, it's called shadowing. It helps pronunciation.
Wow, I have never heard of that before.
It feels a bit silly at first, I admit.
Like talking to a mirror, I guess.
Exactly. We have some strange habits.
But they work. That is what matters.
I think your speaking has improved a lot.
Thank you, Mark. That's kind of you.
Your confidence is growing each week.
Your advice today really helps a lot.
I'm glad. We are all learning together.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Well, I should get going now.
Okay, are you walking home today?
No, I biked here. I have my raincoat.
Be careful on the wet roads then.
I will. Thanks for the great chat, Sarah.
You too, Mark. See you next week.
Definitely. Let's practice again next time.
Sounds like a plan. Have a good week.
Choosing what to eat. Wow. This menu has so many options.
I know, right? It's hard to decide.
What are you thinking about getting?
The pasta section looks really good.
The carbonara sounds delicious.
Yes, but the salmon is tempting too.
That's a healthier choice for sure.
True. What about you? Did you see anything?
I'm in the mood for a classic burger.
Oh, that's a good idea. Simple and tasty.
Exactly. I don't want to think too much.
Does it come with fries or a salad?
It comes with fries. I see it here.
Perfect. Their fries are usually amazing.
Should we get an appetizer to share?
Maybe not. The main courses are quite big.
That's a good point. We can save room for dessert.
Yes, I saw they have a chocolate cake.
You always find the dessert menu first.
Of course, it's the most important part.
Okay, so it's the burger for me.
And I think I will get the grilled salmon.
Are you sure? You seem to like the pasta.
I am sure I can try the pasta next time.
That's a plan. What do you want to drink?
Just sparkling water for me, please.
I'll have the same. It's refreshing.
Good choice. I'm getting really hungry.
Me too. The food smells so good here.
It does. It makes the decision harder.
So, final decision? Burger and salmon.
Yes, final decision. Let's not look anymore.
Ha ha. Okay, we might change our minds again.
Exactly. Let's find the waiter now.
I see one over there by the bar.
Great. Can you try to get his attention?
Sure. I hope the food comes quickly.
I think he will.
Good. I'm looking forward to this meal.
Me too. Thanks for suggesting this place.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it.
I really do. The atmosphere is lovely.
Struggling with listening practice. Hi, Sarah. Sorry, am I late?
No, you're perfectly on time. I just got here.
Great. It's a bit rainy today, isn't it?
Yes, a perfect day for a warm coffee.
I'll get the drinks. You seem a little quiet today.
Oh, do I? I'm just a bit tired, I guess.
Are you really okay? You can tell me what's on your mind.
Thanks, Mark. I'm just feeling a bit frustrated.
Frustrated? About what? If you don't mind me asking.
It's this new online course I'm taking for work.
Ah, the one for your new data skill.
Yes, I have to listen to many podcasts for it.
And that is the difficult part for you.
Exactly. The speakers talk so fast.
I understand that. Listening can be the hardest skill.
It really is. And they use so many new words.
That sounds challenging. Have you tried slowing down the audio?
I did, but then it sounds very unnatural.
That's true. What about using the transcripts?
The transcripts, you mean the written text?
Yes, you can read along while you are listening.
That's a very good idea. I haven't tried that yet.
It helps connect the sounds with the written words.
So, I can see all the new vocabulary.
Right. You could also repeat one short section.
Like, listen to the same sentence a few times.
Exactly. It's a method called active listening.
Active listening. I should look that up online.
Don't be so hard on yourself. Learning takes time.
I know, but I feel like I'm not making progress.
Every small step is progress. Just be patient.
You're right. Maybe my expectations are too high.
Just try one new thing this week, that's all.
Okay, I will try using the transcripts first.
Good plan. Let me know how it goes next time.
I will. Thanks for listening to me complain.
It's not complaining. That's what friends are for.
Thank you. I feel a bit more hopeful now.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, what coffee can I get you?
A latte for me, please. This is my treat.
Are you sure? Well, thank you very much then.
Of course. It's the least I can do for your advice.
Try a new work app. Have you tried the new scheduling app?
Yes, I downloaded it this morning.
What do you think of it so far?
It looks a bit complicated, to be honest.
I agree. It takes some time to learn.
Exactly. The old system was much simpler.
True, but this app has better features.
Like what? Can you give an example?
It sends automatic meeting reminders.
Oh, that is actually very useful for me.
It helps me not to forget appointments.
I can see the benefit in that for sure.
Did you find the team chat function?
No, I haven't explored that part yet.
It's great for quick questions.
That sounds better than sending many emails.
My only worry is the notifications.
I feel the same. Are they too frequent?
A little bit. But you can change the settings.
That's good to know. I will check it.
I think it will make our work easier.
Maybe, once we all get used to it.
It just takes a little bit of patience.
You're right. New things are often strange.
Do you use many apps on your phone?
Not really. Only for social media and news.
I use a few for organizing my personal life.
Like a to-do list or a calendar app.
Yes, exactly. They help me stay organized.
I still prefer using a paper notebook.
Now that's interesting. I enjoy digital things.
Everyone has their own preference, I guess.
This new app feels like a big change.
It is. The company likes new technology.
I hope they provide some training for it.
They said an email with tutorials is coming.
Great. I will watch those videos later.
Me too. I need some clear instructions.
Well, let's give it a fair chance then.
I agree. We should try it for a week.
Okay, my coffee is getting cold.
Mine too. Time to get back to work.
See you later, Sarah.
You too, Mark. Thanks for the chat.